so far away when I be a snake. In time I may, never did I wanna be here again. And I don't remember why I came. Hazy clouds rain on my head, why I'm so far away. No motion to the moonlight, why I thought so clear. Dreaming, dreaming, breathing, breathing. I'm coming back again. I'm not the one who's so far away when I snake by into me. Never did I wanna be again, and I don't remember why I came. I'm not the one who's so far away. Be a snake by into me. Never did I wanna be again, and I don't remember why I came. Wow. What a very great Saturday on this new month Saturday, November 1st, 2014. And you know, I have to say today was a good day. I was up early, did about 2 quick workouts, just like getting moving, then like to eat. I had a shower this morning because I really want to start off the day fresh on the right foot. I did Saturday Throwback Classic of G-Unit, Davidson's group, along with Lloyd Banks. Again, check out on the channel at youtube.com/Arthur Rockstar. So that's tomorrow Sunday, because tomorrow Sunday, week 9, NFL season tomorrow. And depending what tomorrow, but I'm gonna be reviewing some albums tomorrow. I watched an old movie also today. Watched Blade Trinity from the movie from 2004. But if you guys, today was a good day. Tomorrow.